A solenoid is an electrical device that converts electrical energy to a linear mechanical force. As I place a compass near a magnet, you see that as I move the compass along the magnet, the compass is being affected by its magnetic field. Then you see if I bring a coil close to a permanent magnet, you will see a kind of repulsion in the coil vibrating. This is an internal part of a latching solenoid. It has a coil, piston, spring, and permanent magnet. When power is applied in it, the electromagnetic force attracts the piston, pushing the piston inward. Here is an already winded coil. I winded this myself. I winded as much as I could to get a stronger magnetic field. You can wind as much as you can. And here I have an iron that I will use as a piston. So I will go ahead and connect the wire to the coil. And after that, I will place the iron inside the coil. So I place the iron and I've connected the wire to the coil. So you see, when I connect the wires in the coil, you see it attracts the piston in, pulling it inward. If we are to place a spring behind it, it will return to its normal position when disconnected. So I bring it close so you can see it very well. So I'll connect it again so you can see that strong attraction, pulling the piston inward. And I can still do that over and over again. The electromagnetic force is so strong because of the numbers of turns of the coil. So we'll try this iron that has no cap at the back and see what happens. This is really like a fun. Let's power it. Wow, it pushes the iron out of the coil. So we'll do that again and give a replay of that again. This is a very slow motion. Wow, I love that. It's really like a child's play, right? And I can still do it over and over again. It seems like fun to me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment.